Hey guys, welcome to the episode number one of the series in which I'm going to unfold some of the big stories that are happening around the world. So make sure to subscribe and turn that bell notification off. Now, in this video and this first episode, I'm going to talk about that what China is really up to in Africa and what are the reasons of why Chinese are investing heavily in the Africa region. So as you know that the Africa's population is increasing very massively, and especially in this lockdown scenario, the population in many countries have been increased, and that is the opportunity that the investors are looking at because when population are increasing at a very increasing rate, investors are going to invest heavily in the projects and that is exactly what Chinese people are doing. And as IMF declared that Africa's the second fastest growing region with around $5 trillion economy, so you can understand that how the Africa is growing at a very increasing rate. So now I'm going to explain what China is really up to in Africa. So basically right now it has been said that any big project in the Africa cities that is higher than free floors or roads that are longer than 3 kilometers are usually invested by the Chinese people, and Chinese people are investing heavily in these fields because they just want to make this as a massive economy. And China's is now Africa's biggest trade partner with around $200 billion of investment per year, which is very huge investment. And on the other side, China is also helping to pay Africa's debt with around 15% of the external debt has been paid by Chinese people in 2012. So you can realize that how China is helping the Africa's infrastructure and making different roads, and also at the same time helping to fulfill their debt. So why China is helping Africa? So the main reason of helping no, China is not going to conquer Africa. That's the basic reason. But China is going to invest because they want the natural resources out of Africa, because Africa have the world's largest natural resources with around manganese and many essential products that can help in steel production, electronic production. And China want to become a country where that have all of the resources and all of the things that helps in their geoeconomic interest. So this is the reason why Chinese are investing. So thanks for watching for this first episode. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.